So I'm a big wing man, y'all. Chicken wings, that is. So you know what we're gonna do today? Lemon pepper wet whole wings. Not the drum, not just the winglet. We're gonna do the whole thing. Let's get to it. It's JB Sutton Hands. So we got us some nice sized wings. I didn't cheat y'all on this. I went ahead and washed them off, patted them dry, took the excess feathers off. But now we're just gonna clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna start by just moving all this excess fat and skin is hanging off. I want a real nice and pretty wing. Just gonna cut this off. We're cooking our own wings, especially baking them. We're making them a lot healthier, and plus we get more bang for our buck. We're not, paying $16 for 6 drums and 6 wings. But yeah, I'm gonna cut some of this excess meat off too. I don't want any of that hanging out the side. Just want to clean these up real nice and uniform. But don't you hate that though? You pay all that money and you get those small little wings. But we do not have that problem today. Not with these juicy mugs, boy. So I got about 8 wings in this bowl. And I'm gonna start off with some Greek seasoning. And I'm gonna keep it very simple, y'all. Just onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper, y'all. Cause we gonna that lemon pepper sauce is really gonna add a lot of flavor. And you don't need to do too much to the chicken, but chicken's still gonna be seasoned well. So just make sure you coat it, mix it up real good. I'm not gonna use too much of this salt, just a little bit. And I'm getting here with my hands, y'all. So I really want to get all this seasoning, in the corner of that wing and all the little crevices. You don't want to, miss the little important spots. Just work it. I always like to, work the seasoning into the meat. I'm just gonna add a little bit of extra Greek seasoning to the ball spots of this. And we want a crisp skin, so I'm gonna put this in the oven at 390. Yes, they're a little bit juicy too, so 390 for about 25-30 minutes, but just watch it, y'all. So now on to our lemon pepper sauce. I'm using 3 fresh lemons. I got my nice little citrus press, and I'm using a strainer as well, just so I don't get any of the excess seeds or any of this pulp inside the sauce. Just gonna squeeze this. Oh, squirt it on me a little bit. Just gonna squeeze this fresh lemon juice in here. Um, get as much as you can out of these lemons. These are fairly small. So if you got the big ones, maybe you can use 2. But the sauce gonna have a real sort of lemon taste, not gonna be too overpowering. It's not a very thick sauce, but it's a lot of flavor. As you notice, we're not gonna use the lemon pepper season. I don't really like that. For me, it's just a little bit too much. So we're just gonna use this fresh lemon juice. Trust me, y'all, it's gonna come through. So now we got some fresh cracked black pepper. We don't want to use the ground. We're gonna go heavy on this, y'all. You should be able to see this black pepper in your sauce. If you don't, you didn't use enough. Now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of honey. It's gonna add a nice little sweetness to this. Also, help the sauce thicken up. Just gonna whisk this up a little bit. Just make sure I get this honey dissolved in here just a little bit. Now we on to the stove top. I got the heat off right now. I'm gonna turn it on just a little bit. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of butter. See, I know y'all probably saying, why you melt the butter? But the first time I did this, I didn't melt the butter. And like they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I'm gonna keep the same steps as I did the first time. And just trust me, y'all, it's gonna turn out perfect. So after this butter melts, I don't got the heat up too high. Probably I got like my stove had numbers on it, so I got like at a 3. We're gonna keep whisking this butter and add a little bit of flour, about a tablespoon of flour to this when the butter melts. Just keep whisking it, y'all. But let's check on our chicken. Yes, real nice crispy skin. No oils, no grease. Just what we wanted, y'all. It's perfect. We got our sauce. We got our wings. Let's toss these bad boys up. Yeah, look at that sauce, y'all. That's the consistency we want it. Not too thick. Just gonna drizzle this right over these wings. That aroma from that lemon, man, magical. Just gonna toss these up. Get them well coated. Let me grab me a plate. These look good. Just look at that sauce. I gotta get y'all a close up on. Look at this sauce on this. Man. See how the pepper coming through on that. Crack one of these open. Yes. Give us a little taste. That's delicious, y'all. Man, y'all gonna love this, I promise. The chicken fall out the bone. You already know it. Y'all like how those wings turned out? Cooked to perfection. And you know the most important part? They weren't fried, y'all. Kept it healthy, but still got that nice crisp on the outside. Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. JB Sutton Hands. Lemon pepper wet wings, y'all.